That people's green. Okay, they're ready to go to school.
No, I need to put that people in the bus. And where your shirt?
There they go to school now. Where is the school? Oh, that door opens. That's cool. Look at that door open. Here come the kids out of the school bus. Hey, open that door. I can't get out. That's not your house. You can't get out yet. Wait till the driver gets to your house. I'm at my house. I'm at my house. There's your house. You can play with that little boy. What? It keeps hitting your feet and falling down. I need to get out. I'm at my house now. My mommy, my daddy wants me and my Mimo. Mimo, I'm coming home from school. Can I get off now, Mr. Bus Driver? Please, can you open the door? Can somebody please open the door? I'm at my house now and I see my Mimo. Yay, the door open. I see my Mimo, I see my Mimo. Three people.
I want it, Allie. Here, Johnny. Bus now. I want it out. Hey, Joe. Out on it, Joe. See?
Can somebody open the door, please? I want to get out. Bye-bye, bus driver. Bye-bye, bus driver.
Bye-bye, bus driver. All people doing this.
All the people in the tunnel. Uh-oh, drop the green one. Oh, drop the red one. Now you got them. Here's a green one back here. Right here.
I'm gonna take my socks off.
Take your socks off.
Sam has seen my feet
I now see your toes. Let me see them stinky toes. Let me see them most stinky. Ah, see your toes. You got no polish. You got no polish. Oh, have you got a little boo-boo? Oh, does Daddy have Band-Aids? It'll be okay. Take your nurse sock off.
Let's see my feet.
Let me see your feet again. Wiggle them toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle them toes. Wiggle them toes. Hey, you almost ran over Memo's toes. What are you doing?